Today we'll be showing you how to use EdgeAccess2, a remote operations and maintenance software. The traditional manual maintenance methods cost labor and have lower efficiency. With EdgeAccess2 software, engineers can perform pass-through, debugging, file capture, and parameter monitoring remotely. Now let's get started. Kinko provides a library of online instructional documents where we have a guide for EdgeAccess2. First, you need to download and install Zero Tier and EdgeAccess2. Once the download is complete, you need to register with your email address. Make sure to select the server that matches your location to ensure a stable and fast connection. After a successful registration, you can log in directly with your email and password. After logging in, you will see the remote operation and maintenance interface. Go to the device management page and click the Add button on the right. Then, enter the information of the device you want to buy. Assign privileges to added devices. Add corresponding users and groups. Next is PLC Program Pass-Through. Select the device you want to connect to and click HMI Software. This will take you to the DToolsPro platform. Here, you can upload and download HMI programs and also carry out pass-through operations for PLCs. If the HMI and PLC communicate via serial, set the appropriate serial parameters. If Ethernet is used between HMI and PLC, no additional settings are needed. For multiple devices, simply repeat the same steps for each one. Here we will show you the codes these pass through. EdgeAccess2 also supports batch uploading or sending of files, pictures, reports, and data. After selecting the HMI file, all the file paths under the device will be displayed, and you can click the right button of the files to choose the operation of refreshing, uploading, downloading, or creating a new folder. You can also monitor the parameters individually and adjust them in real time to ensure the stable operation of the device. After selecting the parameter monitoring, all the set parameters in the current equipment project will pop up, and the actual data changes can be detected by modifying the refreshing frequency, and the current monitoring parameters can be added, edited, removed, or the monitored parameters can be controlled to start and stop. Flexible remote debugging is also available through the EdgeAccess2 software's built-in DTP-View independent desktop software and VNC remote desktop software. When using the standalone desktop and VNC monitoring function, the corresponding function must be enabled in the project, and then the EA2 will show the highlight to indicate that the function can be used. In addition, we have online tutorial documents to support online updates without repeated downloads. It also supports the recording of user operation log information, which can be accurately searched, easily realize the retrospective audit, and provides strong support for the safety management of the equipment. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please contact us.